The last time we were here, we checked the nukes and we saw them building up a little bit of fresh comb. We had a queen in the blue hive, and we moved comb from the blue hive and put it in the green hive with hopes that they would build a queen cell. I wasn't going to check them for 2 weeks, but my curiosity got the best of me, and I came out here yesterday just to check the green nuke. And when I pulled the frame, I saw that there was cap brood on that one piece of comb, and they had built out more comb. I pulled the next frame and I found a queen. Now, I don't know where she came from, but right now, as far as I know, I have a queen in the blue nuke and I have a queen in the green nuke. All right, we'll start with the green nuke because that's the one that I am most concerned about. And the wind's picking up a little bit. And now I'm hoping that my recorder works as well as it worked on the last video. Now I see eggs in this frame. I don't see the queen yet. And this is the frame that we put in here last week that came out of the other hive. And you can see that they built more comb. And there's eggs and larvae in this frame, and cap brood where the original eggs were. And eggs and cap brood and larvae on this side as well. So this nuke has a good chance of jumping back. And I didn't see the queen yet. I got one more frame to pull, which was the one frame that they had started to build fresh comb on. And they have eggs in this comb as well. Which is going to make it hard to mark a queen that I can't find. So maybe you've seen her when I pulled the frames. I don't know where she is, but there's eggs in here. So I'm going to leave them alone. And I'll try to mark her another day. But I do know we have a queen in here. The smoker does not want to be lit today. So I'm using pine shavings. I figured I'd give it a shot, and I just can't keep it burning. So I'm going to see if I need to smoke them as I check them. But I'm going to jump into the blue hive now and see what they're doing. Now there's a few more bees in the blue hive. And they're working on a little bit of comb. And this frame is packed full of brood. Which means this queen is doing a great job at laying, and they're doing a great job of keeping them fed. And there's my queen. Right here. So I would like to mark her. Let me see if I can mark the queen. Where's she at? I'm right here. Yeah, you can be marked too.
See her now.
Oh, a little easier.
It's a green dot.
All right, that's all I wanted to see. I'm going to leave the rest of this hive alone. I'm going to put it back together. The unit cover put back on. And close it up. Now my smoker's cool. It's not lit. No point in keeping it. And let's see what we got with the main hive. They are building a little bit of comb. It's pushed over, but they're building it. I think we'll go in a couple frames just to see what they're doing. And it's just full of nectar. Another frame full of nectar and honey. And it looks like the next frame is the same way. And they're probably all the same way. But I think because this hive is doing well, I'm going to move a frame out of it. And stay in there. mostly. Now, I understand I didn't talk a lot this time. Honestly, a lot of that had to do with not having smoke and not really wanting to bother the bees a whole lot and make a lot of noise. I wanted to move slow. I marked the queen in the blue hive. I put a comb with eggs in the main hive, and I know there's a queen in the green hive. I just didn't see her. So we're going to try to get her marked maybe next week. But right now, the blue hive, or the blue nuke, and the green nuke are doing well. And we'll see what happens with the main hive. So until then, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.